it's me again, and today I'm not showing you how to make this, but I'm just going to show you what I saw on YouTube Shorts that I've now made. This little Google laptop widget, so basically it looks much better in person. So basically it's like a keyboard, and then there's like a mouse and an arrow. You know when you do like an iPad, or you know when you do like a computer, it has like a mouse, and then when you move the mouse it has an arrow. You can literally move it. It's like a fidget. I did like a Google background, but you can do whatever background you want if you learn how to do one. And we're not going to be carrying on with the vending machine. I finished it. Oh my god. Let me show you. It actually looks so much better. One second. This bit always flaps. Oh my gosh, what has gone on last night with it? What has gone on with this thing throughout the night? It's just been lying in one spot. I never thought one spot would make a difference. Okay, I'm currently trying to fix this thing. So basically, you know how it's like a little vending machine. Vending machines need coins to work the vending machine. So basically, here's meant to hold all the coins. Oh my, what is actually going on with this thing today? I don't know, but it is being quite annoying. So I don't want to keep having to fix this. But, so basically there's some 50p coins that I made out of paper. So you get a 50p coin, you slot it through here. Then it goes through. And then it generates the machine to work it out. So let's go over how rare each thing is. So common is hello, rare is love you, epic, hey besties, legendary, surprise time, godly, love you all, impossible, subscribe. So let's see what we get for a second. I mean, it said like and subscribe. So the machine will then generate and generate and generate until it finds what it is going to say. So let me turn on the generate button. Generate. Oh my gosh, we got the rarest one. Like and subscribe. Well, that's what you should all do now that we got the like and subscribe. Literally, look at it. It says like and sub, which means like and subscribe, if you are wondering. But this is really irritating me. You might be like, what's irritating you? What is really... By the way, we did get a new crit stick. I'm going to make a bigger one of these because, like, it's actually so annoying when something isn't the right size and then it just falls apart. From the good piece to the bad piece. And anyways, today I am going to a party. Some of my football team friends' party. Insensical subs, 9 inches. Over 9 inches. I really do not want to wear the same class jumper, but my mum picked it out, so I kind of have to wear it. but I'm taking it off when we get the go. Because like, I don't want to get too high. Princess the quadriceps mentions the inches. Over 9 inches. The tray of 50p coins is going to be massive. Now we need to find out which is the Pritt stick that now works. Oh, I can see it. So I can tell because the full one feels full and the other one doesn't feel full. So it's kind of easy to tell. This is the quadriceps. Now says over 9 inches. Oh, hello.
Hello, Megan. Okay.
Yeah. This should be better for the 50p coins. Yeah, that's much better. That's such a good 50p coin holder. Wow. We made it complete. Princess the quadriceps, then says the inches. Over 9 inches. This can be like a little letter. Oh my gosh, how did I never know this? Guys, I promise you I am really smart, but I don't know how I never knew. Cute. Anyway, my coins are already falling out. Seriously, come on. It's not because of the size, it's just because it's upside down. I'm going to really carefully put this back. I don't want the 50p coins to fall out again. Because if it falls out one more time, and if I step on that Pritt stick lid one more time, then I am actually going to scream. Goodbye, Pritt stick. We put all of this back. So I'm going to be showing you how to make another cool fidget. With this, you'll need one strip. You need one strip of paper. Try and get it as straight as you can. So this is how straight I can get it without scissors. And then here's what you're going to do first. So you're first going to fold it like this. So like a triangle. Then you're going to fold it down so it's like another triangle. Then keep folding it. So it should get bigger and bigger. Bunch. But no, what did I just do? Oh yeah. Over 9 inches. And then once you've done about 5, it should look something like this. Wait, no, that's not what I was going to do. Whoa. This you'll need a strip of paper and a glue stick. It doesn't matter what brand. I'm using Pritt stick. Where's it gone now? Is that the Pritt stick? Yes, Pritt stick. You're going to glue one end of the Pritt stick really small, so like this. One small edge of the Pritt stick. Then you're going to fold. You're not going to press the whole glue bit down, just the edge so it sticks. So it should look something like this. It should have a hole. It should not flap up like that. It should be stuck down straight with a little hole. And then you do that to the other side. Pritt stick. And then you need to go down very light. And just press hard on the very edge so it shouldn't be all stuck. You should still see 2 little holes. If you can't see 2 little holes, then you've stuck it too much. And then how it's like this, you need to fold this bit up. Fold this bit up. My mum will never stop singing. It's actually so nice. So then it should look something like this. Then you should fold it. Then fold this bit. Then fold this bit back down. Only one of it should be stuck down. And then you fold the other bit. The other bit should go like this from the triangle pattern. Then you stick it here. It has a little hole. And then you can draw whatever pattern you want. It could be like a cat, a hamster, dog. I don't mind, it's yours. And then, yeah. But anyways, I love you all. Bye.